Hello, good morning, everybody. This is me, Steven, and today we are gonna making a project. So, what kind of project is that? The hip hop dance. Yeah. Never see that project, right? Just see it look like this. Just here. Let me tell. A second. Or called hop spin dance. So how can we make a hop spin dance here? As you can see, Toby was wearing in the horses and even the balls to change its costume. And even the background has a music called electric dance. And the one that I like is this. So let's create a new project. Now, first, we need Toby, and then second, we want to choose a backdrop. So, which backdrop should we choose? It's called a concert. You can go to the indoors category, or just search concert. I already got a concert right here. There we go. Now Toby's in the concert to dance with. Okay, so let me zoom in. And so first step is to make Toby jump and spin. So how can we make Toby jump and spin? It's simple. We can use when green flag click. And of course, we also want to set back to its original position. So that means point in direction 90. Forever. Now, we always use repeat to jump, right? To jump sprites, right? You want to put it right over there. Yeah, so it can jump forever, continue its dance, never stop. Okay, now it's actually 10. Now we must tell him to jump. That's easy. Just change Y by 10. No, thank you. My computer will get broken. Okay. Now the other one is that here's the require. The other one use with minus 10. Now we're gonna making it spins, right? It's simple. You can spin by what is that? Yes, you can spin by. It's simple. When green flag click forever and then spin. 15 degrees. Or if you want other the 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 left side, that's okay. I'll just choose right side. Now, let's see. Okay, now that's easy. But I don't want it to go back to like that. We want to go back to the original position. So that means we want to go to XY where it jumps. Oh my god, I already changed it. Oh my god. But that's okay. Now let's check. That's easy. Now I will throw it to 90 and then there. Okay, this is the method 1, check. Method 2 is to make it at the concert with the music. So how it is? It's simple. Use a sound block. So what is a sound block? Let me show you. A sound block is the block that which can play a sound. Also, there's a tab named sounds. Okay, so how about play a sound pop? It pops until done. How about start sound? It's a pop. It's just a yellow flash, but footprint. Too fast. And actually, the pop that where it starts, it's that it was recording. Now, to make it look in the music concert, we don't need pop sound. We need electric dance by searching dance. So here are the other dance. You can just think that anything that you want. And this is sitar. This is slaw. This is dance space. This is dance funky. This one is one of my favorite. This one's dance chill, dance self, and this is dance around. I want dance. No, not dance funky. I want dance. This. Wait, dance. I just want the energetic dance. I mean dance energetic. This is look like it. It makes me dance. It looks like from the Island Walkers, so just get that. This thing is, you know what? I wonder what happens when it moves like click. Also, we want a character in the colors song, which is like a disco ball. Okay, now first, when green flag clicked, go to forever, and then go to sound electric dance. Then copied it, delete play sound dance energetic, then replace this sound, this block to change color to 25. So let's see what happens. Okay, now that's good. Now method 3, clones. Yes, we want that it changes colors with it. So how? It's simple. We can also go to here and see this block. Create clone of myself. As in we same as. Also, we use this in the turning sprite tutorial. Yeah, I ever use that. Now click on when I start as a clone. And then go to, oh no, not create clone myself. Use repeat 10. Okay, now after repeat 10, we want to change color and change ghost. How? It's simple. Use the change color effect and the other. But please change it to ghost. It's stay 25, but I want 5, and that's okay. And then last thing too for this block, we're gonna delete the clone because remember, just like the tutorial that I say, I don't want to have that clone stay. Okay, that's what I say on the turning spire tutorial. So let's check. Let's see what happens. Wow, that's cool. And here's the last method: changing lights. How to make changing lights? Just choose a sprite and then go and search ball. Okay, there's many balls. We are using this ball. And as this ball has colored balls, let's thing that we're gonna do is when green flag click forever. Wait 1 second. Yes, we're gonna wait 1 second, and then we gonna next costume, right? Yeah. Now I want this one is 0.3 seconds. Now let's duplicate. Here we go. Almost. Wait. They were not position of the. Do you know why I went on the first? Because look, the place where the ball lives. Now, and this method is the last one. Okay. Okay. Now, let's check. Now your project was done! Wow, that's so fast, right? The methods that we do was so fast, but the total's so slow, right? Yeah, but that's okay. How about yourself? How can you make the code? You can get this. You can sign in if you want to have more blocks. I use only face detection because it's better. Yeah, and you're in Scratchbox. Oh my god, this is the end of the video. See you next time for more videos. To watch more videos, just click on like, subscribe, and share this video to everybody. Okay? See you next time for the next video.